Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Tindanious math tutorials. If you are new here, kindly visit my previous lecture videos on the cyclic permutations. Those two videos before attempting this video. Where the first video we spoke about the general concept of cyclic permutations, okay, when to use the formulas, right? And the second video, so we had to decode all the formulas. We need to know when to use all those four formulas, otherwise you end up deviating. Okay, so today let's see how we can appreciate the topic by solving questions. The first question reads: four girls by name Abigail, Elizabeth, Ivana and Akosia are to be seated at a circular table. In how many ways can this be done? This is very trivial, right? So we said for permutations, all the red problems, we realized we needed to factor or look out for the total number of objects or items. But in this case, they are human beings, right? So let us count the total number of human beings over here, or persons. We have four girls, right? So we have four. And now, so that's the only thing we know, right? And they are saying this arrangement, is in the form of a circular table. So which means we are going to use the concept of cyclic permutations in a circle, taking all at a time, right? And we said the formula is what? So we say in how many ways? So number of ways of arrangement of the four girls is given by n minus 1 or factorial, as simple as that. Viewers, they didn't go extra mile to talk about r. Okay, so we don't need to use the formula where we are going to use r over here, please. So by substitution, wherever you see n, you put 4 there. You have 4 minus 1 or factorial, which is equal to what? Viewers, 3 factorial. And 3 factorial is the same as what? 3. Then reduce 3 by 1. So we have what? 2. In other words, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 2 minus 1 is what? Is 1. So in that sense, right? So 3 by 2 by 1 is what? Is 6. As simple as that. Let us appreciate the second question, which reads: so in how many ways can 5 women be seated at a circular table? Okay, so by the same concept, okay, so our total number of persons here, women, is equal to 5. 5, okay. So the required, okay, number of ways is given by the formula n minus 1 or factorial, because it's done what in a circular table. Let's say for circular table or circle, you use the formula, which is what the expression n minus 1 or factorial. So by substitution, you have 5 minus 1 or factorial, which is equal to 4 factorial. And 4 factorial is the same as 4, then times what? 3, then times 2, then times 1. So you have what? 4, 3, 12, then times 2 by 1 is 2. So you have what? 24. So viewers, I have a question for you here. So solve it and write down your answers, okay? Indicate your answers in the comment section. The question reads: in how many ways can 5 students be seated at a round table? Viewers, this is the end to this simple question. So this is for case 1. I'll bring you this same question, okay? Questions of this nature. But we realize when you use this formula, you are going to get the wrong answer. I'll see you next time. Stay tuned and I'll keep you posted. Bye.